Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we have the K6 TWS wireless earbuds. These are not the white ones, these are the black versions, and they should be really cool. So they're updated and yeah, this should just look really cool. Alright. K6, and then you just have typical instructions and how to get it set up and stuff. And so right here we have some silicone covers, so that's interesting, for each earbud to make them like normal earbuds with the silicone tips instead of the other part, and it'll help with comfort, which is really interesting and really cool. So right here we have the earbuds. They are the black versions, and this one is the right one, I believe. So as you can see, and they have a nice new look to them. They're actually like a star galaxy color. They're not black. Well, they are black, they're a dark color, but they have like a nice hint of galaxy sparkle to it. Actually pretty cool. This is right here. We're gonna get to that in a second. So here's the accessories. Comes with a USB Type-C cable, and that's it. Like I said, they're the black ones. Oh, and they have the same look to it. It's like a blue sparkle black, like a dark blue. Looks really nice though. This one does have wireless charging, so if you're wondering, feels really good. I can tell they improved the magnets as well. Go ahead and put them into the case. LED indicator as well. Same thing as the white one. If you do want to see the white one, I have a video on that. So on the bottom you have Type-C charging and then wireless charging pad right here, which I will test out right now. Pad, just place it right there. There we go. Now it's charging. So very easy to charge with wireless charging dock. It's up right now, so let's get a phone and set it up. Alright, for the first time to pair them, all you have to do is go into Bluetooth on your device. Alright, so I took them out the case. They are flashing red. So then you just click other devices. It's right here, K6, and then it will be connected right there. Alright, so to play pause, all you have to do is press the left or the right earbud. Just tap it once and it will play or pause. Double tap the right earbud to increase volume. Double tap the left earbud to decrease volume. Triple tap to activate the assistant on either earbud. Hold shortly to skip. So very easy controls. Now we're going to go ahead and put them in my ear, and then we're going to test out the sound quality. Really quickly before we test them out, this is how the earbud looks with the little silicone cover to be able to make this part like in regular earbud, which is cool. If it doesn't fit in your ear, you can just use this. I just tested the sound quality on both of them with and without the earbud tips. I do like them personally with the earbud tips. That's just how my ear is. It is not without the plastic part, but it's really nice that they included it. On the first gen they didn't include it, and they also improved the sound quality, battery life, and many other things within these earbuds, which I do like. So this time this is how it should have properly been done, and it's right now. This is how it's should be, and it's really cool on these ones because these ones are obviously black, and they have like a nice little effect to them, like a sparkle when it hits the light, and then that little metallic look trim on the outside looks pretty cool. Wireless charging, and then the case has a LED display, which not many have, and this has, so that's really cool. I don't know the price on this, but for the money, usually they're under 40, under 30. They are really good. The only thing is that it kind of sounds like it's far away with the earbud tips, but it still sounds pretty good. The bass is decent. It's not the best, obviously. It's probably because these are budget earbuds, but these still sound pretty good. So I like where this company is heading because it's going in a good direction, and I'm glad to have helped them because I bashed on their first gen and they improved it. See, that's how reviews should work. It improves the company, improves the sales, improves everything, makes everyone and everything happy. So without further ado, thank you for watching. If you want to see my next video, this one is the Ghost Sun one. I'm going to have a few Ghost Sun videos coming up soon. Please check that out, and I'll see you guys next one. Thank you for watching.